ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Dear learners, in this lesson, we will discuss palato-alveolar fricative. The sound is produced when the front part of the tongue is raised close to the area just behind the alveolar ridge, near the hard palate. The air passes through a narrow space between the tongue and this region, creating friction and making
sh,
sound that is similar to the sound sheep in English language. Dear listeners, now come to the application of short vowels pattern on this sound.
sh, sh, sho, sh, she, sho.
Dear learners, now we are going to apply long vowels pattern.
Sha, she, shu, sha, she, shu.
Let's give an example. In Arabic language, tree is called
Shajar, shajar.
Dear learners, do you see how we can form a complete word using short and long Arabic vowels? Step by step, we will continue learning Arabic in this way. By doing so, you will not only be able to understand the Quran, but you will also be able to communicate in this language. Stay connected with the tutorials. Thank you.